passar meu juiz em paz. Sem dó nem dó, no grave que bate, que bota com bota, que bota com bota com muita pressão. No batucão ela vem, vem, flora pele não para, vai, vai. Que bota com bota com muita pressão. No batucão ela vem, 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 flora pele não para, vai, vai. Corpo no grave perde a razão. Que bota com muita pressão. Ela chega, domina o baile, é foda demais.
So guys, without wasting any time, let's get started. So guys, in this video I will be providing you with the RAM expander and device overclocker, by which you can achieve 120 FPS in any device. So guys, first open the red archiver of your device and go to the downloaded folder. Now go to the folder where you have saved the file. As here's the file, simply extract this file. Here's the extraction. As you can see that there are two applications. First install this application. Here's the application Pimp My ROM. Guys, by this application you can overclock your device. Give the storage permission, click continue, click OK. Guys, now go to the tweaks option. As you can see, here's the 5 internet tweaks. Click turn on. Go to scan interval this. Now go to the multitasking option and click this high and RAM compression to 128 MB for the better performance. Now go to the Delvac VM and put it to max, and this also to the max. Scroll this and this up. Guys, now keep the rest turned off. Now go to the kernel manager and turn on all the kernel tweaks. Go down and turn on all the tweaks which are here. Guys, this will help you to overclock your device. Guys, now click the apply selected tweaks. Now don't turn on the rest option. After, guys, you have to click reboot, but I have to make further videos, so I am clicking this. Now go back and open the RAM Plus application. Here the RAM Plus application, by which you can expand RAM in any low-end device. Here's the application, click open. As you can see, here's the app, and first we have to create swap. Guys, as my memory is low, so I am creating the swap for only 1 GB. You can create the swap as much as you can, but remind, guys, sorry, it was asking for the internet. Yes, now you can see it's asking for the ad. Wait few seconds. Guys, after watching the ad, now as you can see that my RAM is expanding. Guys, wait few seconds because this process takes time, so I'm skipping the video. Guys, as you can see that the swap file has been created. Now after all the process, restart your device simply. So I am not restarting. You can restart your device after all the process. Guys, if you like the video, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.